We're at the farm stands from behind the scenes where there's mango, there's lilikoi. We sell all the stuff out of here. But then when you look behind what's happening here, this is Martine here. She's working the stand today. She's part of our family here. Everything is growing right around you here on the stand. And nothing's really been growing here longer than 9 months. And there's tens of thousands of pounds of food here. There's Jessica. What are you coming out of there with? Oh my God, mango smoothies for everybody. Everything's from the land. There's no corn syrup. There's no sugar. There's nothing from Costco. This is the real deal. Everything here that we grow, that people are gonna taste, they're gonna eat the best mangoes of their life. They're gonna eat the best papayas of their life. Come check it out here at Olowalu. It's our farm stand and we are open 10 to 4-ish, Monday through Saturday.